Starting an Amazon business can be pretty overwhelming, especially with all the tools out there. You might find it hard to choose the right option. And if you're like me, you've probably wondered which ones actually work and to make your life easier. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm going to talk about two of the most popular tools for Amazon sellers, Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. I'll walk you through what they do, how much they cost, and whether they're really worth it. I've been using both to help grow my Amazon business, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. And if at any point you decide to give Helium 10 or Jungle Scout a try, I've got affiliate links down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount that you wouldn't find directly on their websites. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about what Helium 10 and Jungle Scout actually are and why they're so popular among Amazon sellers. If you haven't heard about Helium 10, it's a suite of tools that basically does everything you need to succeed on Amazon. Whether you're looking to find a profitable product to sell, optimize your listings, or manage your inventory, Helium 10 has a tool for that. It's like having an entire toolkit in one place, making it easier for you to grow your Amazon business without having to switch to multiple different apps or services. Jungle Scout, on the other hand, started as a simple Chrome extension for product research, but has since grown into a complete platform that helps you with product research, keyword research, and even tracking your competitors. It's a bit more focused on helping you find successful products, which is very important if you're just getting started or looking to expand your product line. But both of these tools are made to help you save time and make selling on Amazon easier. But each one has its own strengths, which we'll talk about as we go along. Okay, so the first step in your Amazon journey is finding a product to sell. This is probably the most important step because let's face it, if you choose the wrong product, it doesn't matter how great your listing is or how much you spend on ads, you probably won't make sales. And so this is where tools like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout come into play. Starting with Helium 10, it has a tool called Black Box, which is a product research tool that lets you filter through millions of products in Amazon to find the ones with the best potential. For example, you can search by category, price range, sales volume, and more. It's a game changer for narrowing down your options to find the best ones. Now, Jungle Scout has something similar called the product database, which allows you to filter products based on your criteria and even gives you access to historical sales data, which is very helpful for understanding trends and seasonality. Then, once you've found a product, the next step is to create an optimized listing. This is where the magic happens, because your listing is what's going to attract customers and convince them to buy. Helium 10 has a tool called Scribbles that helps you optimize your product listings by making sure you're using the right keywords. It's like having a checklist that makes sure you're not missing anything important. Plus there's Frankenstein, which helps you clean up your keyword lists, and Cerebro, which is a reverse ask and lookup tool that shows you which keywords your competitors are ranking for. Now, Jungle Scout also has keyword research tools, but where it really stands out is in its Keyword Scout. This tool gives you a list of high traffic keywords that you should include in your listings. It's a great way to make sure your listings are optimized for the right audience. Now, managing your inventory is another crucial part of running a successful Amazon business, as you don't want to run out of stock, but you also don't want to overstock and end up with unsold items. So Helium 10 has an inventory management tool that helps you keep track of your stock levels and even calculates future inventory needs based on your sales history. It's a lifesaver for preventing you from running out of stock and managing your cash flow. Jungle Scout's inventory manager is similar and helps you track your stock levels and make sure you're always prepared. It's especially useful for new sellers who might not be familiar with how much inventory they should be ordering. That said, in terms of Jungle Scout's plans and pricing, they have 3 main plans, and if you opt for annual billing, you can get up to a 40% discount on all of their plans. Starting off with a starter plan, which is priced at $49 a month or $29 per month when billed annually. This plan is a great option for beginners and includes full access to the browser extension, Opportunity Finder, Product Tracker, and basic research capabilities. Then there's the Growth Accelerator plan, which is priced at $79 a month or $49 per month when billed annually. Their Growth Accelerator plan adds features like Keyword Scout, Inventory Manager, and User Permission, making it a great choice for growing businesses. After that, there's the brand owner plan for around $400 per month or $300 per month if billed annually. This plan includes everything in the Growth Accelerator plan, plus advanced selling and analytics features, more user licenses, and priority customer support, which is good for high-volume sellers and teams. And on all of their plans, they offer a 7-day money-back guarantee, so you can make sure you like it before fully committing. Now, in terms of Helium 10's pricing, they have options ranging from free to enterprise. So starting with a free plan, you get limited access to most of their tools, and is a good way for new users to try out some of their features before committing to a subscription. Then there's the starter plan, which costs around $40 per month or $350 if you pay annually. With this plan, you get 20 uses of Blackbox, 2 daily uses of Cerebro, listing optimization, and some additional perks, such as Freedom Ticketing selling course, and you could connect up to 2 seller accounts. Next is the Platinum plan, which costs around $80 per month when billed yearly. This plan offers more comprehensive access to all core tools and is perfect for small companies as well as individuals who work alone or who want to grow their business. After that, there's the Diamond plan, which is priced at about $230 per month when billed yearly. And this plan includes advanced features like multi-user access, expanded automation tools, and higher usage limits, suitable for larger businesses and agencies. And lastly, there's the Elite, which is priced at about $100 per month as an add-on. The Elite offers the most extensive features, including live monthly training, exclusive workshops, and networking events, designed for top-tier sellers and businesses. And like Jungle Scout, they also offer a 7-day money-back guarantee. Plus, if you use the coupon code OPTIMIZE10 during checkout, you'll get an extra 10% off on all of their plans forever, or you can use the code OPTIMIZE20 for 20% off for the first 6 months. So wrapping up this review, you might be wondering, which tool is the best fit for you and which one would I recommend? Well, it honestly really depends on where you are in your Amazon selling journey. If you're just starting out, Jungle Scout might be the better option, as it's user-friendly, straightforward, and covers all the basics you need to get your business off the ground. But if you're a bit more advanced or planning to grow your business quickly, Helium 10 offers more features and deeper insights that can give you a competitive edge. In short, if you're new to Amazon selling, Jungle Scout is a great starting point. But if you're ready to take your business to the next level, Helium 10 has the features to help you get there. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful and that I was able to answer all of your questions. If it was, please like and subscribe to see more. And just to reiterate, if you're interested in trying out either Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, you can check out the special affiliate discount links in the description down below. It won't cost you anything, and you'll get a discount that isn't available if you go directly to their websites. And if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.